Hello everyone. So today what I'm going to show you is how to create an account in code.org, and you're going to do this from your Clever account. So when you log into Clever, you should see icons for all of your teachers, and for me it is a purple kangaroo. So you're going to click on that to get to my page, and then you will see these four icons in front of you. Click on the code.org icon. It will take you to the code.org website, and then you will go to the top right-hand corner and click Sign In. From this screen, you will want to continue with Google. The red button, Continue with Google, click that. And then it will choose an account. You're going to put in your Gmail account for school, and then you will hit Next. And then you will enter a password, and you will hit Next with that. If it is the first time you are creating a code.org account, it's going to ask you your age and your gender. The gender is optional. You do not have to put anything there, but you do need to put in your age. When you are here, you come up to your name. There's a delta right there. Click that down and go to Account Settings. Once you're there, display name. Your display name needs to be your last name, comma, space, first name. It should look just like that. Again, last name, comma, space, first name. Then you're going to update your account. After you've updated your account, you're going to click on My Dashboard. It's going to take you here and scroll down. There's My Courses, and you want to keep scrolling to Classroom Sections. You're going to join a section. You are going to find the code that I have provided to you, and you're going to type it in here and click Join Section. Once you do that, you should see a green box that says Success, that you did join that section, and you are ready to start coding.